Share all these things, especially the books, okay, and the advocacy that we have. And from Bertosho, we
salamat ni sa Rosara. Napiling din nila ang Hugan Elementary School at the same time ang Hugan National High School. Thank you kayo mga sir, mga ma'am. Good morning.
First, to conquer ourselves. Second, to conquer others. Third, to conquer your purpose. People behind Rotterdam Club of Cebu. Gihatag ang kanilang mga books. Children, teachers, we will use these books as our reading materials